So there is a new AI model that can perform end-to-end autonomous driving by generating natural language commands for a low-level controller, which essentially means that it can drive a car by talking to it. This system can understand and follow any instructions you give it, such as turn left at the next intersection, park near the blue building, or avoid the pedestrians. And it can also answer any questions you have about its actions, such as, why did you slow down? What is the speed limit here? Or how far are we from our destination? Sounds insane, right? Well, this system is called Drive GPT-4, and it's the first of its kind to use a multimodal large language model for end-to-end autonomous driving. Drive GPT-4 is basically a system that combines computer vision and natural language processing to create an interpretable and interactive autonomous driving agent. It uses a multimodal LLM as its brain, which means that it can also process and reason non-text